Are you stuck in too many Facebook groups you don't even use anymore? Your feed gets messy, noisy, and full of unwanted posts. Most people think leaving groups takes forever. Today, I'll show you the fastest way to leave Facebook groups properly. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where you learn smart, simple, and effective Facebook tips that actually work. Step by step, how to leave Facebook groups. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your mobile phone and log in. This method works on both Android and iPhone devices. Make sure your app is updated to avoid missing options. Stay on the home screen to begin. Step 2. Locate the 3-line menu icon in the top corner of the app. This menu gives access to your groups and account shortcuts. Open it to continue navigating. You're now moving toward group management. Step 3. Select groups from the menu list. You'll now see all the Facebook groups you've joined. Scroll through and choose the group you want to leave. Open that group fully. Step 4. Inside the group, locate the 3-dot menu in the top right corner. This menu controls your membership options. Open it to reveal available actions. One important option appears here. If this cleanup trick is helping you, hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more Facebook organization and privacy tips. These small actions really support the channel. Step 5. Choose Leave Group from the menu. A confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. Confirm by selecting Leave Group again. You're instantly removed from that group. Boom! You've successfully left the Facebook group. Leaving unnecessary groups is one of the best ways to clean your Facebook experience. Fewer groups mean less noise and more control over your feed. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below for more Facebook cleanup and productivity tips. See you in the next one. This is Preyo Phonie, keeping your social media simple, smart, and stress-free.